Hey guys, what is going on? Today is Monday, June 17th, and if it hadn't been for Scratch Babble posting on the KLR Delusionals channel, I would not have known that today is National or International Ride Your Bike to Work Day. Now, I'm assuming it meant motorcycle. I mean, if it meant bicycle, I sure as hell don't have one to ride, so you're going to have to suffer with this one. But yeah, so there is a chance of a little bit of a rainstorm or a thunder shower this afternoon. The clouds this morning look kind of iffy, but I hate, you got 16 weather apps on your phone and every one of them will tell you something slightly different. I don't know if I can get a place I can pan around, look at these clouds, I'll let y'all be a deciding factor in that. But the clouds look, I should have taken that Skywarn weather course, but I haven't been able to find one that's convenient. So. There's another ride coming up in August. I can't remember the exact date now. It'll be the 4th or 5th year in a row, I think, that I've done this ride. It is the annual Sync the Planet ride, and I will include links in the description to the YouTube channel, the Facebook group, and the website for this event. And I enjoy it, I really do, and I encourage others to get out and try to do it. And you can recruit other people in your area to ride with you as well. I know I've mentioned it in previous blogs, but what happens is every year, I think it's the first Saturday in August. It might be the second, but I think it might be and I'll put all these dates in the description and a link to all the sites so you can find out for sure. So basically, at 12 noon Paris time, everybody who's participating will be on your motorcycle and doing a moto vlog or your rendition thereof at the same time. It's one thing to do a collaboration video where I do something and 2 weeks from now we post it up, but at the exact same moment in time that you're riding your motorcycle, hundreds of people throughout the world are riding theirs at the same time, and there's a common theme usually. Only once have I had to make up my own subject for the vlog. Normally there is a subject chosen, so everybody is doing their vlog on the same topic, which is interesting because you can find out how everybody else has interpreted the topic as well as what their interpretation is of it. So that's pretty cool. And luckily for me, on the East Coast here, noon Paris time will be 6 a.m. So if you're on the West Coast, you're going to be riding at dark 30 for sure. There's people all over the world who do this every year. You merely have to go to YouTube and search Sync the Planet, and you'll come up with all the videos that people have uploaded. And they always do a playlist, and for all the people to participate, you meet a lot of people online this way. You start to follow each other on Twitter, and you might pick up some YouTube subscribers as well as find more channels for you to watch. It's really interesting. I enjoy it, so I encourage everybody else to at least consider doing your part in the Sync the Planet this year. I can't remember how many years they've been doing it. This is not my I wasn't on the flagship Sync the Planet run, but so before I go, I want to say I want to give a shout out to another YouTube channel, and I think the name of the channel is 7cc Dan, and I'll put a link to his channel in the description, as well as I'll put a card up here. So check him out. He's another KLR rider, and he's trying to grow his channel, and he did a video the other day where he even shouted out Full Cypher and Swanky Cat. He's an older guy. I say older, he's younger than me, but yeah, he was talking about the blog was about older guys and motorcycles. So you go check it out, see what you think about what he said. And I've already changed the way I wire my helmet, and the change that I did has given me a fresh idea to make it even simpler. And I will be sharing that with you pretty soon. So you guys keep an eye out for that next video coming up of how I'm going to rewire my helmet and make it a little more cleaner without a bunch of wires hanging out. Yeah, so go check out 7cc Dan. Give his channel some love and support. If you like his content, go ahead and subscribe to his channel. And yeah, I think I'll call this one a quit too. So y'all be safe. As Randy's Ride says, be good to each other. I want to take a couple of minutes and thank you. If you watched the video all the way to the end and you're seeing this, I really appreciate it. I'll put my email address and my mailing address right over here somewhere. And if you have stickers you want to send me, I'd appreciate it. Talk to y'all again soon. Goodbye.